Clearing your search history on Hotels.com can help maintain your privacy and improve your browsing experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Hotels.com website and log into your account using your email and password. This will allow you to access your account settings and history. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for an option that says Account or Profile in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find search history. In your account settings, locate the section for search history or recent searches. This is where you can view the searches you have made on the site. Step 4. Clear your search history. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out. After clearing your search history, log out of your account to ensure your changes are saved and to protect your privacy. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Hotels.com. Regularly managing your search history can help enhance your online experience.